Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Vinid 8000mAh Cordless Car Vacuum Cleaner. There are features include: experience up to 60 minutes of continuous cleaning on low mode, 35 minutes on high mode, with the massive 8000mAh rechargeable battery. Driven by an 80-watt high-performance motor, it delivers strong suction to effortlessly pick up dust, crumbs, sand, and stubborn pet hair from car seats, sofas, carpets, and tight corners. Switch between two power levels with a simple long press. Use gentle mode 1 for daily dusting and longer runtime, or powerful mode 2 for deep cleaning of embedded debris. This flexibility makes it perfect for a variety of surfaces, from delicate keyboard keys to car floor mats. Recharge quickly and conveniently via the included Type-C cable, 5V, 2A. A full charge takes only 4 to 5 hours. The intuitive long press control powers on, switches modes, and powers off, making operation simple and user-friendly for everyone. More than just a vacuum cleaner, the vacuum cleaner also functions as a powerful air blower and an inflator/deflator. Use it to blow away dust from vents, keyboards, or hard-to-reach corners, vacuum debris in tight spaces, or inflate small items like air mattresses and pool toys. Weighing only about 1 pound, its compact cordless design ensures easy portability and convenient storage in your car glove box, backpack, or drawer. Ideal for keeping your car interior, home, office desk, and workspace spotless. Effectively cleans pet hair, food debris, and dust from car interiors, upholstery, mattresses, and hard-to-reach crevices. A must-have accessory for car owners, pet parents, and tidy enthusiasts. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.